Here we got Heather cleaning out the trench, getting the trench ready for forming so we can get our foundation in the ground. Everything looks good since we were last here. The rain didn't. Yeah. We got endless rocks to hurl. We're gonna be chucking them all day. So that's all right. It's going fairly quickly. Quicker than I expected, actually. So we're good.
Getting the trenches ready for the rebar and the footings. Kind of working with the rain showers and getting our gym workout. Who needs a gym when you're building a house?
Here we got Heather loading up some sandbags full of gravel, and we're going to use those to anchor our forms in position. Since it's so rocky, it's difficult to pound stakes in the right spots. So we need a lot of sandbags, and then we can use that gravel in our driveway when we're done.
Our roundhouse is taking shape. Wow, I can actually visualize the floor plan now. We're dodging the rain. Getting ready for the rebar and cement pour. The framing is coming along. We've got the outer ring framed, and now we just got to do the inner sections. The forms are almost ready for cement and rebar. Looking good. Starting to look like a roundhouse. Foundations anyway.
Put in the trenches. Hey baby.
My gym workout.
That's right. Bucket number 1000.
Here we have the footings all framed up and ready for concrete. It's coming tomorrow. There's the sewer line down there. We got all the rebar stubbed up for the stem wall. We got our frames for posts for the cupola. 3 posts. All the cross pieces. Just got done raining here maybe an hour ago, and all of our trenches are mostly drained already, and they were quite full because it was pouring. Property's starting to take some real shape now. Pile of gravel used to fill all these sandbags. There's probably 150 or so sandbags in here. Fill all the gaps, hold the forms. I wasn't able to use stakes because it's all rock. You can't really pound a wood stake into rock real well. So we had to just hold it in place with sandbags, bracing off of each other. This one back here is for the deck. This is our grounding euchre system, which you have to have. It's a grounding block that clamps onto the rebar in your foundation, and then you run a continuous 25-foot long copper wire around the exterior-most piece of rebar in your foundation. Run it, and then you run it up a piece of the rebar so we can hide it inside our stem wall, and it'll come out the stem wall and attach to a cutoff switch apparently on the outside of the building. This is not a system I'm familiar with. I was expecting to pound in grounding rods, but since this is all rock, you have to drill grounding rods, and that's costly, so this is a better ground apparently at a cheaper cost. Just wasn't prepared for it, so we had to last minute get it done. Concrete's going in the forms. We got concrete flowing, cruising right along. Well, the third truck is here. Second one is cleaning out up there. Third one is just getting ready to unload. I think we're gonna just have enough. Oh, I hope my math is correct. We are mostly full in here. Just a few spots up front here.